In the bustling world of business transactions, finding the right payment processing service can be crucial. One such contender in this arena is Helcim, a company that has steadily carved out its place since its inception in 2006. In this simplified review, we'll explore the features, pricing, and overall suitability of Helcim for your business needs. Helcim originated in Canada, but has extended its reach to cater to businesses in both the United States and Canada. Over the years, it has emerged as a popular choice among merchants for its comprehensive payment processing solutions. Whether you're conducting transactions online or in person, Helcim has you covered. One standout feature of Helcim is its transparent pricing model. Unlike some competitors, Helcim offers tiered pricing, which means that as your business volume grows, your costs decrease. This tiered approach provides incentives for high-volume merchants by offering lower rates as they process more transactions. Managing inventory can be a headache for businesses, but Helcim seeks to alleviate this burden. Through seamless integration with inventory management software, Helcim ensures that every sale made reflects accurately in your inventory count. This feature enables you to stay on top of your stock levels and make informed decisions about inventory replenishment. While Helcim offers many benefits, it's essential to consider some finer details. For instance, projecting revenues may be challenging due to the tiered pricing structure, especially during periods of fluctuating business volume. Additionally, while Helcim provides reliable phone support, the absence of online chat customer service may be a drawback for some users. Helcim maintains a large list of restricted and prohibited businesses with which it does not work. This list includes various industries such as financial services, cryptocurrency, personal services, certain technology companies, adult entertainment, and gambling. Before committing to Helcim, it's crucial to ensure that your business aligns with its restrictions. In comparing Helcim with other payment processors like Stripe and Payment Depot, several factors come into play. While all three offer timely payouts, Helcim stands out with its tiered pricing structure, which can result in substantial savings for high-volume businesses. However, Payment Depot's unique subscription-based fee and low per-transaction costs may appeal to certain users. Ultimately, whether Helcim is the right choice for your business depends on various factors, such as your transaction volume, inventory management needs, and industry alignment. If you're a high-volume business looking for transparent pricing and seamless integration with inventory management systems, Helcim could be the solution you've been seeking. However, it's essential to weigh the pros and cons carefully before making your decision. In conclusion, Helcim offers a robust payment processing solution with transparent pricing, integrated inventory management, and reliable support. While it may not be suitable for all businesses due to its restrictions and pricing structure, it's undoubtedly worth considering for those seeking cost-effective and efficient payment processing services. Alright, so I believe that's pretty much for this video. If you find it helpful, consider subscribing and giving this big thumbs up, and I'll catch you in the next one. Thanks.